In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment on Big Cartel in just 5 minutes. This process will help ensure you're ready to start receiving payments from your customers quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Big Cartel website. You can find it by entering their URL into your browser. Big Cartel offers a fantastic platform for artists and small businesses to create free, easy to manage online stores. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you'll need to enter your shop URL and password. Double check your details to ensure accuracy so you can seamlessly access your store's dashboard. After typing in your credentials, hit the login button to gain access to your account. Once logged in, you will be directed straight to your dashboard. This area is your control room where you manage orders, upload products, and most importantly for today, set up your payment options. From the dashboard, look for the account section. This will usually be found in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click to open the account settings. Scroll down through the account options until you locate the section specifically for payment options. This is a crucial step because setting up payments properly ensures that you can receive customer payments without any issues. Next, move over to the Get Paid section. This area is designed to offer you quick access to setting up your payment methods. Click on Set up your payment options and you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you will find options to connect to different payment processors. Begin by clicking on Connect Stripe. Stripe is a popular payment processor known for its security and ease of use. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to link your Big Cartel store with your Stripe account. These steps generally include entering your business and financial information as required by Stripe. Once set up, you're all good to receive payments through Stripe. Alternatively, if you prefer PayPal over Stripe, you can also click on Connect PayPal. Again, follow the step-by-step instructions that PayPal provides. This might involve logging into your PayPal account and verifying your details, ensuring your shop is connected and ready to receive PayPal transactions. And there you have it. Whether you choose Stripe